Here I've got Realme 5 Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So at first you have to open the messages, then click on a new one, on the plus icon, and now tap on the more icon here, then select settings. And here you will notice languages, so just select this option, click on add keyboard, and from the following list of languages you can pick whichever you would like to apply. It's a truly long one, so everyone will find something suitable. Let me choose, for example, Yiddish, and then tap on done. Now you have to delete the previous language, and as you can see, let's go back, the keyboard language has been changed, so now you can smoothly write in Yiddish. If you would like to change the language again, tap on the more icon, pick settings, go to languages, add keyboard, and let me go back to English, tap on done, then remove Yiddish, and as you can see now we are back in English. So this is it. This is how you can smoothly and easily change keyboard dictionary in your Realme 5 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.